He said, boss, I want back in a maid.
He called you up and said what?
You know what I'm saying? If I think I can diss him, I'm gonna die the same day.
Them take my computer them. Teacher said when them a leave at the bed alone for left in the room.
When them a lick me, them keep on dep and say, you inform on the boss, you inform.
And I come back, come sit down with him and I go on like him don't know the shoes me snap. And I tell them to tell the boy, they said, I get back my shoes, him and him blood clot, mama I got dead in a bad man.
You know, you always have allegations, you know, that's why they're called allegations.
Who is Vybz Kartel?
Cartel, you bite the hands that feed you, you're going to suffer.
Banging, watch out now, fade away, so not to think once, twice, now, choice. What I go on, my viewers, my subs. Welcome back to the channel, and this is our next episode of Who is Vybz Kartel, and this is part 3, Rise and Fall of Portmore Empire. If you haven't seen part 1 of it, you can go ahead and check out that. It's Who is Vybz Kartel, the Diabolical Genius, and that's chapter 1 and chapter 2. And part 2 is Who is Vybz Kartel, Gully versus Gaza, and that is chapter 3. And now we have Who is Vybz Kartel, Rise and Fall of Portmore Empire, and this is chapter 4. So you know right now we just are jumping right, no more long chattings. As I say, if you're not yet a member of the gang, please do so right now by subscribing to the channel, liking the video, tell a friend to join the gang. And now that we got that all out of the way, hey, cue the intro.
Kaboom! You know it's Warlord representing what you know! The world I forget the stats you know. You know it's what you know, me da, and it's Warlord, the Skystar leader. Kaboom! What you know?
So the Empire, them sharp like Gillette razor. You see me I say? Them to know, that's where the thing lie. Alliance are alliance, man. Big them up, man. You see me? You don't know Alliance Cartel forward from. You see it? Empire for life. You see me? Straight. That's the thing, man. I don't know my son. I'm say, Daddy, who are vex, go and vex. And them for know. You see me? We not feel we black for bad. We in a all white. I don't want to say that. You see me? I say, so I don't know my son. No, all my style is expensive, so this is a fee style. You see me I say, I did the Empire, Deva, Bratt, Deva strap with the Empire, Black Rhino was shot with the Empire, do some medicine real killer, it gets steel pillar, which crew homily now, Empire, chance storm blow can't feed the Empire, nuclear gun turn on for the Empire, and the war professor, hey, from boy pay the toll and drive past that bridge, watch your movement, your slogan, your language, just be cool, like the lettuce in the sandwich, and gun by the boxes, AK, them go tall like a hostage, and one killer for the jockeys. You see me I say a bag of thing, man, them for the snow. Empire Street.
Deva the BRAT with the Guns Factory, and I'm saying it's Portmore Empire. We ain't playing. We got music to tantalize the brain. So me I said Deva Bratt lead out Portmore Empire with the guns when never rolling nor entire. So when me entire, me run the entire. Here cut the tabernacle and the inside. Why violate? Adi you know no sense fire. No use the chicken that warm to the French fire. You know when me know you find a better so you fire. Can't war with gun and vampire like a vampire. Gun yam your food in the night like a vampire. Papa ear my fire. They did that thing, they did some face. I evoke can fire. Tell some motherfucker fire when the cannon and the palmer want to pull it big like a can fire. Before you die you can retire. Talk about you go make it reserve. I must see blow fire. I want to the kingfish fire. I roll in a kingfish can roll a man in a inspire. Said my bad man I went inside. Must see a coffin and a read. Him don't enquire and don't book the pass and the choir. Cartel do the killing promotion and pass on the flyer. Should I know man I'm a run brain flyer. No if make the AK sing like Shalene and Sanaya. Make a cigarette in a brain like papaya. Hey, I know where you come from now. Where you there? What you do? And what you say? Actually. Yeah man.
See, Portmore Empire was led by Vybz Kartel after leaving the Alliance. He knew that the Alliance was still a force, and the only way to fight the Alliance was to meet force with force. After the whole Gully and Gaza feud, Vybz Kartel had gained a lot of popularity and a huge fan base and following, so it was only right that he started his own movement. Portmore Empire was a talented group of individuals such as Deva, Bratt, Black Rhino, Sean Storm, Popcorn, Lisa Hype, Gaza Kim, Ja Vinci, Gaza Indo, Gaza Slim, Not Nice, Dosa Bedison, and also Nuclear. But for this episode, we're going to just focus on Deva BRAT. You know what I mean? What really happened between Deva BRAT and Vybz Kartel. For those who don't know the history, Deva BRAT is one of the key members of Portmore Empire / Gaza. You know what I mean? He was the one that came up with the name Portmore Empire. He then brought it to Vybz Kartel. Vybz Kartel then licensed it without him even knowing it. Deva BRAT was also one of the first to rise, but yet one of the first to fall. You know what I mean, people? So you know we're going to play an interview of Deva BRAT explaining his side of the story. You know what I mean? How Portmore Empire was formed and how him and Vybz Kartel had their fallout. You know what I mean? Part of that was mainly because, you know, he got charged with, you know, carnal abuse, and, you know, Vybz Kartel went and did a song saying that I could have never done a, you know, raper. Yes, man. So, you know, that caused a whole rift between the two of them from, you know, that Deva BRAT started preying different. You know what I mean? And Vybz Kartel just kick him out the group. You know what I mean? So, well, I met Deva BRAT tell him side of the story, and then, you know, you just come back and give your opinion. What you know?
Like when we go dance and so and so, and some stage shows and so. If anybody do anything will upset us, like now play with song them or whatever, you don't know them get a beating.
Right.
See? And that was to make Portmore, and that must make people know, say your Portmore Empire is not a joking thing. See? AKA Gaza is not a joking thing. We need the business, we need the money, we need the fame, we need the promotion, we need everything, yeah? But still, there are certain things where you do forget it, which is the good music, which he had that. You know what I mean?
Right.
You can't take that from Vybz Kartel. Him is the lyricist of lyricists. I'm not even going to put up myself. My fans them out there, them say, yo, I'm better than Kartel, but I'm not even pre that. You see me, just say, him are the emperor at the moment. See? And him theme lyrics them to me was hyper than mine, and you know what I mean, more flow. I just like his lyrics. You feel me? And everybody likes his lyrics. Everybody likes his talent. You feel me? But you know him about a personal issue. You see? Which is, you know what I mean? It's like him like the Dan ship thing. Yeah, everybody wanna be a Dan. I mean, but just be a Dan in your own circle. You can't be a Dan to everybody, because everybody want a Dan.
Right.
You see me? So that's the problem, because me no want a Dan. See, I just want to make my own decisions, and him never to agree with I and I making my own decisions, doing my own thing the way I wanted it. I'm in a tech program.
Now, when you say he had a problem with you trying to do your own thing, was that on a personal level or business-wise when it comes to music?
Both.
So would you say that those type of situations caused the demise of your friendship, or was it after you were incarcerated the things that started to go on?
No, because okay, during the time of Empire, they did a Europe tour. They went to small islands, and they went to Europe as well.
Okay.
Yeah, I wasn't invited.
Now, who all went on that tour? Kartel and who else?
Kartel, the small island, Nuclear, and Dosa you get figure.
Okay, so that was in the early time.
Yeah, the early part. Nuclear and Dosa, Sean Storm, Black Rhino.
Okay.
Seeing them get figure the small island. Europe, Dosa never get figure Europe.
Okay.
And Nuclear never get figure Europe. Him carry some rest of people. The pictures are there and thing for sure. Who was there? I don't remember really. But Sean Storm was a priority to him, and Black Rhino, because they come from Waterford.
Right.
I and I create Portmore Empire for Portmore itself. It wasn't a Waterford thing. It wasn't a Westchester thing.
Right.
It wasn't a Pacific thing nor Nagozet thing. See? It was a thing for Portmore artists, because at the time Alliance was the strongest entity in Jamaica, where all of the big artists them are parried. Like Bona, Vybz Kartel, Busy Signal, Movado, you know what I mean? All of this. When me I come up with the name Portmore Empire, me I watch the video when name Anger Management. Seeing, and Missy said, it's an alliance for real. And the only thing where you can come with overture alliance, would have to be an empire. So I come up with the idea, I share the idea with Vybz Kartel. I told him that, yo, listen, I have a new idea. During the time of when in the go, an angel wedding, being man an angel wedding, Bounty Killer never too like the idea there. So then him and Bounty catch off in something, and then him and then Bounty and I don't catch off in something because at the time Bounty say, yo, we dash Cartel foot against a stone. Everybody else over here so move Cartel, we not in a hip. But I don't did like Cartel as well as an artist, so I don't say, yo, but nobody can tell me over party. Hadi Wambex, this bad man you get a box for your Janex. That was the biggest forward for Idona because him stand up on him feet and stand up for teacher. See? Yeah, that happened. Then the idea, then the trio will end up come together now because at the time they award Idona and then Cartel buy out the war and say, yo, none of that because remember say man say Adi and Daddy, only two sons them for a war with each other. Right. So we say, alright then, squash that, reshuffle, other Portmore Empire, and the three we are as the general them. Yeah, we get powerful. Take time and get powerful, and we start run off the place.
Alright, so let me backtrack for a minute. You stated when you came up with the idea of Portmore Empire, you brought it to Kartel.
Yeah.
What ended up happening that Kartel was able to kind of take over the name legally? What was the real story behind that?
The real story behind that is that I was oblivious to envy, grudge, and I think bad mind, the world supremacy. People who want to be ahead of people. We never know so they think they really exist.
So you thought you were just taking this to a friend?
Yes.
And saying, listen, I have an idea.
Yes, definitely.
Okay.
So me never did rush figure legally
license
register the name. So yeah, I was lounging, yeah, and I wait for me and him to go as friend and as business partner. I'm the founder, you're the CEO because you're gonna be spending the money. Right. Yeah, which I know those things, but me never did rush to go legally register it. Okay. So then I got a phone call from the person who he allowed to. From the person who he told to go and register the name under Adisha Palmer. Okay. Yeah. So when we get that news that I wasn't in jail yet. You feel me? I didn't get in a legal altercation yet. You feel me? So boom, couple of weeks after that, I end up in a legal altercation.
Literally a few weeks.
Yeah, literally a few weeks. Literally like 2 weeks after that. Wow. Then me get in me reach a jailhouse. Then me get news say a month after me there jailhouse, me hear say, yo, Deva is no longer a part of Portmore Empire. Reasons being, I understand because I got in an altercation that wasn't pleasant to the ear, or you know what I mean. So I didn't have a problem with that.
Now, at that time, had you and Kartel been in communication? Had he told you, listen, I think it's best for you to just leave the group for now until you get your legal affairs in order? Or did it just happen unbeknownst to you?
He didn't contact me and say anything. It was unannounced, and I heard it from an officer. A police officer came to me and said, yo, you're not in a Portmore Empire no more, you know. Because I just heard from CPFM say, Deva is no longer a part of Portmore Empire. Now you been it. All them to kick you out there on a crew. I mean, I say, so life is life. And you have to understand me in a predicament, and he doesn't want the predicament to fall, the empire. So I agree with him. Let it go. Let it be that way. You feel me? But then after that, a song came out. Right. So that means when the song come out, though, the song I say, I could have never turn a raper.
I could have never turn a raper. Too much fat pussy.
So that means that the man I tried to say, yes, Deva is this person. And show me a friend, tell you who you, show me a friend, tell me who you are. You see me? So if you ever say that about me, that means that you are the same thing. And if you say that about me, people more to believe you than even the news. Because you are a friend of mine. And they not expect say you are going to agree to bash my name or turn against me in any way. So people take it to them head and believe, say, yes, what Vybz Kartel say is true. You understand? And that is the thing that give me the brand when you know what I mean? Right. You know what it is.
Of course. So at that time, actually, you and I did an interview 101.1 FM in Miami.
Mm-hmm.
You were still incarcerated at the time.
I was incarcerated. I was running jailhouse.
You was running the jail.
Yeah, I was running the jailhouse.
So basically, the interview that you, myself, and Smiley did here in Miami.
Yeah.
I think it was pretty much your first interview from being incarcerated.
Definitely.
And you were able to kind of put your feelings on the table and give your side of the story.
Yeah.
Kartel didn't like that too much.
No, because I was making it known that I was the founder of Portmore Empire and all the good stuff about myself. You feel me? And he never liked the idea of, you know, say people and know say he is not the founder, creator, or nothing for Portmore Empire. So it became, it wasn't pleasant to him.
Okay.
So yeah, I bared it for 9 months in jail. And then when I came out, I attacked him with a song called Judas. Yeah. And we did, after I come out of jail, I do the song that said Judas. And I do a song that said, give thanks to God to get out there. Because jailhouse is something I would wish for nobody at all.
Now, when you came out, you did the song Judas.
Ask the war boss, we bust you, you go see me impress you. Trust me, just so me shouldn't trust you. What did you do?
You and Kartel obviously never became friends again.
Well,
and after you released the song,
after we released the song, pardon me, after we released the song by Scatter, there was a show and there was a dance. Bumpy Cash and Six Killer, them did there run a back road. But before the back road thing, Tesha Miller, the general for De La Vega City, said, you know, him there keep De La Splash.
Right.
So we have to go to De La Splash. Me never did have to go, me never planned to go. Me there studio advice. And me get a phone call from Uncle T, say, yo, Vybz Kartel them can't perform until you reach. Because you, me know what is your worth and me know your generosity and so and so. So them a wait for you, go and go link up back with your brother and go perform. And me say, alright, Uncle, where me I gotta do this because you are the general and where you say, count. You hear that? Because I don't listen to fools. I listen to the general, them have respect, and me have to respect them because it's a reason why them are the general. So I go the show, Vybz Kartel see me, hug me up, and I tell him, say, hear this song when named Judas. So I say, yeah. So it go. So he must say to me, say, yo, don't worry yourself about that, man. When he must perform, people can look on it, go look for De La Splash, must say, oh, 07. He must say, yo, I love Black Rhino, I love Deva, Bratt, I love Those of Medicine, I love Sean Storm. That he must say. Him say him love us. Right? So, alright then, cool. Whenever we do the show, him go about him ways, me go about my ways. Then the dance now, a following week after, it was a Sunday, on a back road. Go Sabupa and go there and I go there with some hairdresser, 5 girls, I go there with. Chuck up my car with girl, because I mean say bungalow girl. Chuck up my car with girl and go around there. No man me not par with. Left the whole of the warrior them with base sneakers on me yard. When me say sneakers, them know what I mean. Left them on me yard, sneak out left them. Coming in a bagger man par with. Me just come from jail 9 months. A beer woman more see. Left my baby mother, everybody there at the yard, sneak out of the yard, drive up the girl them, reach at the place. Dead. Bumpy Cash, a big me up. Every time him say Vybz Kartel, him say big up Deva Bratt. It spark a vibe in him head, or I don't know if I the girl them me a parody him or what. Him saying, come call me. Me tell him say, yo, me tell him man him will come to me. I say, yo, Vybz Kartel call him. I say, tell him say go call him mother. Cause me a bad people. No matter if me a part of a bag of people, me bad. Same way, every day, any day. I don't mean I'm a bathroom naked. Me bad. Straight. So me tell him say, yo, go call your mother. So them go back to him and tell him. And then me see the bunch of them run come over or walk come over. And them a drag me go to him. So true me no want no video like catch me I get beat up or I get pulled. Me push them way and run go downstairs. When me run go downstairs, them bust a one buckle in a maid. Me thump out 2 face. And you know what I mean? A whole heap of them. Him a part like 30 man.
Right.
See? So I run go across the road and thing and run in a restaurant and grab a fork. One of them fork the way they use the chicken. And run out back and say me go blood up 2 of them boy. They don't know say By the time I run out back, a police I say, yo, put on that and put them on the ground and cause them still a run at me.
Right.
So police put them on the ground. Here comes Vybz Kartel. I say, yo, look at my friend them. I said, look at my friend them. After your friend them just rush me and thing. And I try to, you know what I mean? Pop off my chain. That's for them main thing. Anybody where them a beat up, the first thing them do, I pop off them chain. Yeah? Me know that cause me a Portmore Empire person. Saying? So boom, pop off my nice chain when me get since me jump out. Dash on my hat with the diamond them. And me lose my shades as well. A big expensive thing me I wear. Me lose all of them. Police put me in a car in the middle of the car and put the accomplice them, film look a warrior them in the car with me. When I car with the station. So me I say, you know a bad man, I wanna come for me and start elbow them in them face and bust up face. Enough people don't know them thing there. So I defend myself straight through all the time.
Because at the time when the story came out, the story was that you had gotten stabbed, you were in critical condition in the hospital. It was a whole big story. So I'm glad how you're kind of clearing this up right now.
Yo, if me did get stabbed, me done with music a long time. And I deal with what him I deal with. See? Nobody never stopped me. It was an okay fight. Cause me a bad person, my name Deva Bratt. Saying, you know what a Bratt is? We love trouble. So look a fist fight or look a ray. That is nothing to me. That never ever make me stop the music. But any boy they ever punch on my skin with knife. Remember me tell them I don't do music and a badness me I deal with straight. Yeah. So me never get no stab. Me never go to hospital. Me go station. Tell police say, Lego all of who did that rush me cause and for them fall, they are being programmed by the gentleman, Vybz Kartel. So me tell the police say, yo, me not gonna court. I never went to one court case until their case got thrown away. You feel me? Because we not informer.
Right.
We got badness.
So after this incident, when was the next time that you actually seen Vybz Kartel?
Next time I see him?
After that.
I try to see him. I never seen him. I ride past, I drive past. I'm properly tucked in.
Right.
And I'm waiting to see a shadow that says Vybz or says Kartel. I ain't seen no name. You feel me? Yeah.
Alright.
Father Romeo would have got regret what that happened, but I that would have forgotten. When me I pass the place, me see the place. Well, bulletproof up and thing, and I know some me know the place. But because them have get trouble, them have to bulletproof up the place and put on big iron thing in front of the gate. So they can't even see in the yard to see if nobody in there. No car no park out the door. So me have to just stop, try circle them.
So from then till now, the friendship never changed, or the lack thereof. Nothing ever changed. So that kind of energy still remained.
Yes, that energy still remains, but I grow to be an understanding gentleman and know that, yeah, judgment belongs to the Almighty. So I stop run them down, I stop hunt them, and I move from Portmore to try to be more safe, because I know how them turbulence stay. So I move, go on Mobile, it's about 9 months, just like how jailhouse go. 9 months I go on Mobile if I go chill with it. Real set of people in my Mobile. Then all of a sudden, all of the man directions start direct to Mobile. Every song we do, it do to Mobile, because I hear some of them Mobile run off the place. Be a badness straight. Mobile people them are the, yo, love Mobile. Next to New York.
True.
That, see? Love Mobile. Bad place. Them know if you live, you know what I mean? We live high in Mobile. Ask anybody.
So the things that you're telling me about, it's mostly, it seems like it was just really directed with you and Vybz Kartel. How did you get into the lyrical war with other members of Portmore Empire like Black Rhino and Dose of Medicine, even Lisa Hype at one time?
No, well, me never really pay none of them no mind. I'm the Black Rhino because Black Rhino, they come out very rough against me.
With the song?
Yeah, they come out with that song on the Death Row rhythm.
Right.
And then I answer him back, and then after that, he have to dry and I'm shell, because I'm in a laugh with people, I'm in a laugh with lyrics. See? So that is that. Them are the least of the apostle. I never ever put the whole of my energy into them because my main aim was to get back at the creature. You know what I mean? Vybz Kartel, my brethren.
So of course everybody wants to know now. You know, Vybz Kartel yesterday was convicted. The verdict came out guilty of murder. And
so sad.
It's sad. So everybody wants to know, of course, what you have to say. How you feel. Are you joyous? Are you, you know, upset? How are you feeling right now? Or do you even feel anything?
I would never rejoice in anyone's dilemma, in anyone's distress, in anyone's ordeal. You feel me? Because as me say, I God of the man. See? Regardless of what Vybz Kartel put I and I through, see? I still have a clean heart against the youth, because suffer the children to come unto me, and you have a thing on him, they don't know what they have done. You see? Forgive them, oh Lord. See? Them even don't know what I do. It's like he's the most intelligent artist I've ever met. You feel me? Because not even some rappers use the dialects where Vybz Kartel use, and the terminologies they use, the metaphors, the similes, nothing is compared to Vybz Kartel where lyrics is concerned. Only person would have put in a film shoe is like Tupac and try to push up Biggie Smalls near to him.
Right.
You see me? And like, well, right now Drake is doing it because Drake, in lyrical content, is like reasoning with me on a normal level. That's the way Drake does his songs. So I rate Drake as a lyricist. You see me? He bring a smoothness to lyrics and thing and thing. The rest of people, I see them push up in a dance hall and a rate. What are they bringing to the game? Them not bring nothing to the game. Only thing they want to follow me and Vybz Kartel I don't do. See? Bounty Killer, big up yourself. You don't do the pass something them. Beanie Man, you are the man. Him do the little flashy thing them. You see me? Big up Shabba, him start the vice. You see me? Big up Cabra, him are the bad people. You see me? But when you come in at the business now, where you are come be? A Deva, BRAT, a Vybz Kartel, a Idona, a Shabba? Who are you? You are nobody.
Yes, man, that was Deva, BRAT people, you know what I mean? Telling film side a story about the fallout with him and Vybz Kartel. I got to me and say people. And for all who don't know the history, is me and say hopefully when you get a insight from the interview of how him and Vybz Kartel fall out. A very, very talented artist who, you know, never really shake the stigma of him being a, you know, raper. You see me and say even though the rape charges was dropped and it was, you know what I mean, carnal abuse, but you know it go already. You see me and say the negative I can always outline the positive. And nobody gives a F about the truth if the lie is more entertaining. You see me and say people. So Deva BRAT was really on him way up before all of that happened. You know, he never really get back, you know, in place, in the space of dancehall from that happened. You know what I mean? You know the clash after that between him and IRA, you see me and say, which the fans say him lose also. So you know what I mean? It just never turn out good for Deva BRAT. You see me and say, so you don't know. Comment down below and let me know what you think. You see me and say, when you feel like Kartel didn't do Deva BRAT justice after the whole friendship, or his downfall was his own doing. You know what I mean? I want to know what you think. Leave your thoughts down below. Let me know what you think. Let me know what go on. You see me and say, like always, like, comment, share the notification bell for further updates and videos. Banging. Watch you now. No.